Hello everyone. A talent show provides students an opportunity to showcase their talent in any field. It not only helps the participants to show their abilities but also motivates the students to come up of show their secret potential. Welcome to the world of pencil drawing. This is a journey where you will discover the magic of creating art with a simple pencil and paper. Get ready to unleash your creativity and bring your idea to life. It's my pleasure to introduce Samyukta from grade 5.